Hello guys, welcome back to a new video where we learn how to make money online. First of all, before we start this video, you don't need to be experienced, you don't have to have any type of skill, you don't need to be intelligent. You can do this trick from your laptop, computer. This trick I'm gonna show you is not popular on YouTube right now, and actually there's a lot of people making money. Like there's my friends, millionaires, there's a secret group that I'm in. There is crazy amount of face people are making money from this trick, and by following the steps in this video and not skipping through this video, you're gonna make so much money from this website. So focus on the website, focus on the steps, and don't do this alone until you watch all of this video so you can earn the money and the cash and be financially free. So we'll go to this website called Digistore24. It's a famous website. You're gonna paid by promoting other people products, but actually won't promote anything. We're just going to copy and paste links. That's crazy. I'm gonna tell you how to make $72 an hour, which is crazy. So we're gonna go to marketplace. There's a many products. As you guys can see, there's promote now, and that's your affiliate link. That link, you're gonna take the link, and once somebody purchases the product, you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get paid for making the sale to this somebody. But that's easy because I'm gonna show you how without even doing any of this stuff. So yeah, so as you guys can see, there's a lot of things you can sort by. Leave it at sales rank. You're gonna take the best. There is the best selling products this week or today. You're gonna take the product that you wanna make the most money with. So let's take this product for instance, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This product it's about YouTube, I think. You're gonna earn $200. So let's go to the calculator right now. So let's say you did $200 and you did 3 sales per day. That's $600 per day on autopilot. Just imagine doing that just on autopilot, making 3 sales per day. 3 sales per day, that's $600. And the more you sell, the more money that you're gonna earn. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna promote this product by promote now. But before we promote the product, we need to have an account. So we will sign up. You'll put your username, and let's say here's your affiliate link. It will be something like that. You put your email, choose the password, and choose your real country, because if you don't use your real country, that won't be good. That's international, so nothing to worry about. Choose your real country, put your name here, company, if you don't have it, leave this, address, all this type, and boom, agree, and register for free. And when you register for free, you'll get your affiliate link here, and I'm gonna show a bonus tip for this video that you're gonna like me after. You're gonna say, I love you because you showed me this crazy trick that most of the people won't show me on the internet. Okay guys, so guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel right now and you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because I'm gonna post daily making money online videos, and you don't want to miss the new ways and tricks to make money online. So subscribe right now. So guys, we'll go to Reddit. That's a website where people talk together, they post comments, they share. It's a crazy website. So much people are using this right now, millions and millions and millions of people. And let's say monetization. As you guys can see, there's a million community. You can join so many communities, and there's people asking so many questions, so you can earn and tell them, here are the best ways to make money on YouTube. Here are the best ways to grow. Here is the best ways to fix your problem, and you're gonna paste your affiliate link by posting a comment. That's easy. That's easy. You just type. You can do this from your phone, your laptop, your any kind of these things easily. And if you're subscribed to the online Payz channel, you definitely you'll get the money. You'll get to the bag. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video for more tricks and ways to make money online. And see you in the next video. Peace.